With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, our question is growth through increase in volume is options are cartilage, striated muscle, nerve fiber, or the lens of the eye. So the correct answer for this question is the option second, that is the striated muscle. Striated muscle are mainly found in the limbs, face, and the tongue of the human, also tongue. So basically, the plasma membrane of striated muscle is known as the sarcolemma, and the growth measurement in the striated muscle is by increase in the volume. So option second is the correct answer for the question. Option A is the cartilage. Cartilage is basically found in the ear, and the measurement is by thickness of the cartilage. So option A is the wrong answer. Option second is the correct. Third is nerve fiber. In nerve fiber, the measurement is by the increase in the length. Increase in the length. Increase of the nerve fiber. So that is why it is also wrong option. Fourth option is the length of eye. Length of eye. Length of eye is also wrong because in lenses the growth measurement is by the increase in the diameter. Diameter. So option 4 is also wrong. Option second is the correct answer. That is the striated muscle that is found in the lips, face, and the tongue in the human, and the plasma membrane is known as sarcolemma, and the growth measurement is increase in the volume. So option second is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.